Today's DIY is floating shelves. Now, I had a space where they were going to go between cabinets, so we're not going to end cap them, but you can put them anywhere in your home. Your first step is to build your brackets that are going to be mounted to the wall. You can use 2x4, that's rough, doesn't have to be sanded, you're not going to see it, and then add your arms, however deep you've decided to create your shelves. I did 8 inches. Now mark where you want to put them, level it off, and find your studs. If your shelves are shorter than 16 inches, then I would totally use a toggle bolt or a drywall anchor. Actually, no, scratch the drywall anchor. Use a toggle bolt, that way you know that they can hold about 50 pounds. If you're unsure what a toggle bolt is, I will link my video below showing you how to use them. A drywall anchor just would eventually come loose. But if you have built your shelves long enough and found your studs, then you don't have to worry about that. This next step shows you just how easy it is to make these shelves. Measure your length and your width, cut 2 pieces of that, put it on the top and the bottom, and you're ready to face out your front. It's really just that simple. So now you're going to measure the front piece with your top and your bottom added, your length, your width, and put it on. If you don't have a cupboard that you're going between, then I would do this for the sides as well and end cap them. Depending on your desired look, you're going to want to wood fill your nail holes. Sometimes I actually like the nail holes, so you can leave them if you want more of a rustic look. Then grab your stain, and with either a sponge brush or a cotton rag, just make sure that your stain goes on even. I would get some gloves for this. Every single time I use stain, I tell myself I'm going to use gloves, and my nails are disgusting. So get some gloves. And just like that, your shelves are done. It probably took about 2 hours. One of my next videos will show you exactly how I tiled behind them. If you want to just leave the drywall, that looks great too, but tiles are a really cool option. I'm fairly new to YouTube, so I'm still trying to figure out what my audience wants to see and what you guys don't like, so you could let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you next time.